What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. First of all, Happy New Year to you and your family. It's been a crazy transition for us. You know, we moved out from our apartment. As you can see, we have a new setting. We're living in a home now. Finally, some fresh air. If you're someone that has never been to my channel, it was the first time you're discovering me. My name is Art, guys. I'm a social media marketer, videographer, video editor, you know, and I like to save money. Most of all, this is what this channel is about, helping people save money. Okay, it's not about how to get rich fast. It's not about how to get a fucking Lambo. I don't even have a Lambo. I can't afford it. You know, it's about being wealthy. A lot of people have misinformation about the word wealth. You know, and if you're here to get your mind right when it comes down to money and how to save it and how to go about your life to accomplish your goals in the smallest time frame, this is for you. So please subscribe. Don't like the video yet. If you like the video, then you can like it after, obviously. But today, guys, I do want to talk about what is a good emergency fund that you can have in your account. Like, what is a good place to start? Personally, a good emergency fund would be 6 to 12 months of expenses. So if you live in an apartment, or you're living with your parents, or you live in a home, whatever it is, whatever your rent payment is. So your rent payment, you know, your home, your fucking roof, your car, your transportation, and food. You need 6 to 12 months with that because those are essentials. You gotta live out of those three. What would that be for you? You know what I'm saying? I don't know you personally, but whatever it calculates to. For me, I would need 12 months, you know, just to be safe. And I always want to have at least a year of savings, so if something fucking bad happens, I just like to play it safe like that. I am not gonna fucking only have 4 or 5 months. So guys, save your money for that. Build that emergency fund. You want to build that big leverage, which I talk about. You know, after that, you'll feel safer. You'll feel in a way better spot financially, and then you can start, you know, applying yourself to save for things that you want to do. You know, or you don't have to do 12 months. If you feel like that's not enough, then that's too much, then do 6 months. But you always want to have 6 months of fucking car debt payments, for food, and then for your rent. You know what I'm saying? Forget about everything else. Forget leisure. Forget everything else. That shit does not matter. The only thing that matters is what's gonna keep you alive and your family. So keep that shit in mind and just save. You know, there's no secret to wealth and having money. There's no secret to it. It's just practical. You save, and you don't do shit. You stay patient, you stay grounded, you stay disciplined, and you get your fucking mind right. Okay, that's it. Like, there's no secret. Like, if you really want to go out and have fun, do things, save up for it. Don't just get your paycheck and blow it off, you know, without knowing where every penny goes. That's what I would say for an emergency fund, guys. I would have 6 to 12 months of fucking solid monthly payments just in case something happens. But you always want to have that leverage, and just so you're safe. You know, you feel good. That wealth. It's all about wealth. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.